All right, guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing review and install on my new dash cam by AZDOME. Just FYI, I did get sent this as a review by the company. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we got, and then we'll go ahead and throw it on the car, see how it looks. So this is the AZDOME M550 Pro dash cam. So 4K Ultra HD. Bam. User manual. Looks like some adhesives for it. The charger to Type-C. Vehicle plug. The backup camera. And then these are usually like the little template so you can install it wherever you want. And then finally, oh, nice. The camera itself. It does have a display on this end. That's cool. All right, so we saw what's in the box. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the car and see how it works. All right, so first you want to download that AZDOME app. It is a free app available on both, and then you'll be able to connect to your camera. So as you can see, it is daytime and we already have it connected, and this is what it looks like on the application. It's really, really cool. And then here's a full screen view of what it actually looks like once it records. So you can see the quality of the video is really, really good. I really enjoyed it. Here is a view of the backup camera, also really great quality. I wanted to show it in the dark as well. So here it is at night. As you can see, the camera is still giving good quality video. Again, highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.